How would you like to make $1,000 just watching YouTube videos or recommending them to somebody else? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you could do just that so you don't need any money or anything to get started. For those of you who are new here, my name is Austin, and on this channel we talk about all things entrepreneurship and making money online. So again, if you're new, please subscribe, and if you haven't already, smash that like button for me so we can boost this in the algorithm and it helps me grow my YouTube channel. Without further ado though, let's dive into this computer, and as you can see, I'm already on YouTube, and you're probably wondering, well, how do you get paid to watch YouTube videos? But if you stick with me step by step, because if you don't want to skip around, because it's going to be really hard for you to understand how to do this and implement these strategies, because it is going to be very step by step. So just stick with me very quickly. It's going to be a short video. I'm going to show you how you can get paid to watch trending videos. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is go to a category where videos are more likely to go viral or be trending. So if you look on the left hand side, you see the best of YouTube, sports, gaming, music, stuff like that. Those videos tend to get a lot more views because people just like to watch them because they're entertainment. For the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click the gaming category. I don't do gaming personally, but I have heard of obviously some of these things because they're very trendy right now. A lot of videos are going viral, and what that means by viral, it means a lot of views in a very quick amount of time. So like I've heard a lot about Among Us lately on TikTok. I didn't know anything about this. It's a very trending video game topic, I guess. Minecraft, they've been around for a long time. Grand Theft Auto, or not a long time, Minecraft's been trending. Grand Theft Auto's been around a long time, ever since I was a kid. So I'll probably use that for the sake of this video. But if you take a look right here, you can see like Cyberpunk, 2.3 million views 3 weeks ago. I don't even know if, I guess that's a game. I have no idea. 10 million views 2 days ago. Like the power of that is insane, especially because you're going to get paid per 1,000 views. So if you're showing a video that is trending or going viral to people, and you see ultimately this thing has 10 million views in 2 days, imagine if you just got a fraction of that. So what you're going to want to do is first you're going to want to pick your category. Like I said, let's just click Grand Theft Auto because I've personally played that game when I was younger. It's been a long time, but it looks like it's still getting traction. I guess this is number 5. It must be a new one they just created or sometime recently. But you can take a look right here. And these are live videos. There's 445 people watching these videos, a couple hundred people watching them live, but that doesn't matter. What you're going to want to do is scroll down, and you're going to want to find recent posts that are already getting a lot of views. So like, just for example, this one is 1 day ago, 2.6 million views 1 day ago, 1.4 million views 2 weeks ago, 2.9 million views 2 weeks ago, 5.3 million. So you see the power of this. And again, the reason you want to look for a lot of views is that means there's a lot of people interested in this current video, which means it's likely, more likely for people to click on your link to watch this video for you to start getting paid. And you're probably wondering, well, how are we going to get paid? So I'm going to show you real quick. Let's jump over to a couple of websites you could do this on. One of them known as R7 URL short. You shorten URLs and you earn money. So you can take a look here. I'll just scroll down a little bit and show you how this works. This one is it's a newer one. They've got over 3 million or close to 3 million clicks, 143,000 links, 22,000 registered users. Here's another one. It's short, SHORTE.st. It's another word, monetize your website and links you share. And you're probably wondering how you're going to get paid for this. So I'm going to show you on the next website, but you can see look at the amount of links clicked just today. Hold on, let it finish populating. Just today, 8.793 million links were clicked that were created using this website. Shortened links in total, 2 billion total links have been created with over 1 million registered users. So this shows that it is legit. This global trusted payments worldwide. If you're wondering how you get paid, let's look right here, the payout rates. It'll show you the amount they pay. So I've looked at a bunch of different websites. The last website I'm going to show you is my favorite. But you can see the payout rates in the United States is $14.04. UK is $10.75. Canada $5.81. Australia $8.61. And you see it varies depending on your country. So you'll want to look at this. But let's dive over to my favorite website. My favorite website is going to be Adfly. So I've researched all of these. I looked at the different ones, and from my research, because there's obviously plenty more you could go search for. You could literally go into Google and you can find more that pay you. But for the sake of this video and the ones that I've done my research and I feel like I could recommend to you, this would be my #1 recommendation. As you can see, links clicked today is 2.7 million registered users, over 5 million. They pay out via PayPal, so you don't have to worry about it. And this just so happens to be one of the highest paying platforms I found. So if you check out the payout rates. The average CPM for 9th of December 2020. So as the recording of this video is on December 9th, 2020, this is the amount they have paid out on average. So you'll see it's per 1,000 visitors or 1,000 view link clicks. That's what we consider right here, the desktop CPM. And as you can see, the highest paid out CPM for 1,000 views is 206.67 at the current time of this video in the United States. Again, you're going to want to take a look at your country and see where you fall in this scale. But Canada 43, UK 40, 12, 23, $97 in Germany. So it fluctuates and dependent on your country. But for the sake of this video, we're going to use United States, and this is the site we're going to use to do this. And so now you're wondering, well, how do I get paid for these links, right? It's kind of confusing. So you get paid for every person who visits your URLs. Well, so check this out. What we're going to do is we're going to go back over here to YouTube, right? So let's say we find a video that is relatively recent. So 1 day ago, that means this is to me, this is a very trending video. Right here, I'm just going to pause it. I don't want it to play. It's going to pop up though. And so this video is trending. People are willing to watch it. 1 day ago, it's already got 2 million views. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the web address bar. I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm going to take it over here into Adfly, and I'm going to paste it, right? So I just pasted my YouTube URL. I'm going to click the shrink button. And so now it's going to give you a smaller URL that you need to share with people to obviously get the commissions. And you're probably wondering, well, that's cool and all, but how am I going to get paid from this? So I'm going to show you real quick. If I copy this URL and I put it into my in my web address bar up top, you'll see it's going to populate a page, and this page is going to be an advertisement. So this is an intermediary ad. On the top right hand side, it says please wait 3 seconds, and once this ad is gone, you could just skip the ad right here. And after you skip the ad, it goes straight over to the YouTube video. So this intermediary is paying you for, or paying anybody, whoever's shares the link. You're getting paid for sharing that link, because the ads are being viewed for every 1,000 or CPM, every 1,000 link clicks or views that ad gets. You will start to receive the payout structure that Adfly says they pay. So let's just take an example. You're like, okay, that's good and all, but how do I get people to actually view this content, right? So how you're going to get people to view this content is you're going to want to go over to Google. So we're in Grand Theft Auto. So you want to go to Google and you want to type something like Grand Theft Auto forums, right? It doesn't matter. Minecraft, you can do forums, anything like that. Look for forums. And GTAforums.com, they have their own website. So what this is where people go and talk about Grand Theft Auto and stuff like that. So you see GTA Online. This got 4 million comments, 133,000, 37. So these are just comments on different things. So let's just click. I guess we'll just click in here. And you can see we're going to try to find some articles or something. These have 300,000 comments. 457,000 comments in this category. Let's just click it. And then you can see right here how many views these posts, these topics have gotten. Like 1.1 million, 254,000, 1.1, 142,000, 178,000. So these topics are getting a lot of views, 205,000 views 26 minutes ago, I guess. So they're getting a lot of views. If you manage to make a topic go viral, and when we say viral again, we mean get a lot of views relatively quickly, right? So what you'll want to do is you'll want to come here and start a new topic, or you'll want to interact with other topics. But you could create your own new topic and be like, hey, check out this. This has got to be one of the best videos for Grand Theft Auto that I've seen yet that just came out. And what you'll do is you'll make a post. And if, let's hypothetically say, let's just use a small number. Let's say you get 250,000 views, right? Let's pull up the calculator, right? You get 250,000 views. And you divide that by 1,000, because that's the CPM, is one that costs per 1,000 link clicks. That's 250, and then you're going to multiply that by, they said the pay rate was $206, but let's just say the pay rate is $100 for some reason per 1,000 views. That's potentially $25,000 in earnings just by copying and pasting YouTube videos and shortening the link and putting an ad in between your viewer and the YouTube video. So you could potentially make $25,000. You could obviously make less. You could make more. No results are guaranteed. So, or I can't guarantee any results, shall I say? But that's just how it works essentially. I hope that helps you. And if you want to know my #1 way of making money online, which is affiliate marketing, I'll leave a training link in the description. It's hands down by far my favorite, and it's essentially the same thing. You promote links and you receive commissions when doing so. I'll leave a training link in the description, very first link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe. And as always, smash that like button for me to help YouTube get this video out, help the algorithm, help me grow this channel, because I'm here for you guys and I need everybody to see this, right? So, as always, thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next one.